Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we have some new body mist from Flur that I want to share my thoughts on with you guys and let you guys know if I'm liking these, if they're going to stay in my collection. So if you're interested in my opinion on these two new body mists from Flur, just keep on watching. Today we have a really fun release and this is from Flur. We have two fragrance and hair mist because you can also use these in your hair, which I really like because my hair holds onto fragrance better than anything else. So we have two body mist. I'm going to start off with the matcha milk. Matcha milk is a gourmand scent that feels like an earthy sweet indulgence and balances the soft comfort of macadamia milk and vanilla with the grounded calm of matcha and black tea. Bright bergamot lifts the blend while amber and musk melt into the skin. It's soft, luxurious, and warm. It's a layered fragrance that gives you an immediate lift. I do have thoughts, but we're gonna try it again today because my nose is smelling things differently today. But the main accords for matcha milk are vanilla, powdery, lactonic, green, citrus, musky, nutty, sweet, fresh, spicy, and amber. The top notes are black tea and bergamot. Middle notes are vanilla, milk, macadamia, matcha tea. And the base notes are musk, amber, and patchouli. What I notice about this fragrance is that it has so many notes that I have really been enjoying. Like, of course, bergamot in the opening is very bright and refreshing, a little citrusy. The matcha tea I have had in other fragrances and I enjoy that. I did notice though that the amber that they use and the patchouli, I smell it really strongly. And usually it's the notes that kind of stand out the most on my skin. Unfortunately, because I don't enjoy those notes, I wish that they would be a little bit more quiet, less noticeable when I'm wearing it. Overall, it was pretty enjoyable to wear. I did notice the patchouli, so I do want to mention that. If you've been with me for a long time and you kind of have similar taste to me, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of patchouli at all. Let's see what it's giving now that I've had them sitting here for more than a week, because I tested these when I first got them. The opening of this is absolutely beautiful. It does have an earthy feel to it. It has this powderiness to it as well as like a creaminess, but think of it as like a green creaminess. And no, it's not like grass, but it's almost giving me like a cologne-y vibe. So I will say that it has a unisex kind of scent to it. It's not necessarily super girly or anything like that, but we do have the berry that can bring in kind of like that super sweet girly scent. But matcha milk to me is more of a relaxing scent, maybe a scent that you want to wear to bed or to lounge around at home relaxing. I think I like it to mix it into other things, but I'm not sure if I would wear it on its own because, like I said, the patchouli and the amber are very strong on my skin. But the way that they used the matcha, everything else is really nice. I just need to see how this wears layered with other scents. The day that I did wear this one, I wore both of them together, so I couldn't really judge them on their own. But smelling it on my hand, immediately I noticed that I'm a huge fan of the opening, and the opening for some reason gives me like ice cream vibe, but it goes away super quickly. When it first opens up, I feel like I am smelling ice cream. Then I start getting that very cologne-y masculine vibe. So that might be what makes me not use this one or not enjoy it as much. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the berry cream because this one's definitely more girly. So I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says about berry cream. So this one's supposed to be sweet spun berry and it's creamy, juicy, and sweet. Berry cream is a fruity gourmand that feels like strawberries dipped in velvet cream. Bright, dewy berries are softened by a heart of violet milk and sugared amber, while ambrette and hibiscus flower add intriguing depth. It's a playful fragrance that lingers like spun sugar melting on your tongue. That one sounds way more girly, way more sweet, gourmand in like a dessert type of way, fruity type of way. So obviously I'm going to enjoy the berry one probably more. Berry cream has main accords of sweet, fruity, vanilla, floral, and lactonic. The top notes are strawberry, cream, and raspberry. The middle notes are hibiscus, milk, apple, and violet. And the base notes are sugar, vanilla bean, amber, and ambrette. This one just automatically sounds like it's way easier for me to wear this one. The first day I smelled it, I also smelled the amber in it. Flur's body mist, I always pick up on the amber. I've noticed that. This is so good though. What is this making me think of? I definitely get strawberry, and there's a little bit maybe of like Burberry Her vibes in here, but not a dupe for it. And I like how smooth that strawberry is. It's like a milky strawberry. It's not too fruity. I smell the violet in here as well, but it's done really nicely. It's not being too loud. Let me go ahead and spray it on my skin before I keep describing it. Yeah, on the skin, I get a lot of the raspberry, so there's a little like tart feeling to it along with that creamy strawberry. I pick up the apple, I pick up the violet, but I am starting to pick up on the amber, but it's not bad at all. I can definitely wear the berry cream mixed together. It just makes like a very gourmand, fruity, earthy scent. I definitely prefer, oh, I love the earthiness of the green one though. They're both really, really nice. I would give these at the moment right now like an 8 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. I don't want to rave about them or say that they're amazing because I still need to test them out further. I already know how this goes, and something will smell one way and then I will end up liking it or hating it. So for right now, they have a pretty good score in my book and they're really nice. The berry one is so sweet and creamy and like tonic, but you definitely feel the strawberry in there. So if you love strawberry, it's a good one to add to your collection. If you can't stand strawberry, I would not really do that one. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have tried these fragrance mists. What do you think about them? How are you liking them? How do you like to wear them? Do you like to layer them or do you like to wear them separate? Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Comment down below. Also, comment down below with a green heart or a pink heart, depending on which one you would wear the most. And with that said, I want to thank you guys so much for spending some time with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.